Hello everyone, welcome to Bilaspur IAS Academy, and in this particular lecture we will continue our lecture with your new division which is your Raipur division. तो हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, we will start our study with this particular division called your Raipur division. Okay, so we will start with the Raipur division. Yesterday we have talked about your Durg division. Before that we have already completed Sarguja and Bilaspur division. So those who are new to this particular thing, you can watch my earlier videos for that particular division, and today I will start with this particular Raipur division. So first of all we will see some of the basic information regarding this particular division. So Raipur division is one of the earliest division of Chhattisgarh. तो आपका अगर देखा जाएगा, so this is the first division. Raipur become division in year 1862. So this is the first division of Chhattisgarh. Okay, and again in 1862 it is formed with the name called Chhattisgarh division. Chhattisgarh division. So please don't get confused that with the year of 1861. 1861 Raipur become a district, and in 1862 it become a Chhattisgarh division. ठीक है, a Chhattisgarh division separating from your Nagpur division. So again a separate division, Chhattisgarh division formed. Okay, so please remember this particular thing. Now we will talk about some of the other districts of this particular division. So you will see there are 5 districts in this particular division. Okay, and those 5 districts are this particulars. So we have your Balauda Bazar, we have Raipur, we have Mahasamund, Raipur, Mahasamund, then we have your Dhamtari, and the newest one is your Gariyaband. Gariyaband. So we will just draw a map of this particular districts. We will see all the tehsils so that we can get a good information regarding the various places of this particular tehsils, and then we will study about the various geographical and also the historical places of this particular tehsil, this particular Raipur division as such, and of all the districts and the various tehsils. So we will draw a particular map of this particular division, which include all the districts. See a particular, I think this is not visible to you, so I will draw this much only, like this. I will rub some of this part. Okay, so that particular line, this one is your Gariyaband, this one is your Gariyaband, a simple map. Okay, so first of all we will see कि आपका कौन कौन सा आता है. So from here, somewhere here, okay, a bit, I will draw this line a bit here, like this. Draw as simple as you can, कोई जरूरत नहीं है टफ मैप बनाने का, as simple as you can. So this particular here, this is your Balauda Bazar, and Balauda Bazar districts makes ये particular, if we talk about this particular Balauda Bazar district, it make border with the 7 districts of Chhattisgarh. Please remember this fact. 7 districts ये क्या करता है, border बनाता है. It makes border with the 7 districts of Chhattisgarh. Below Balauda Bazar, here something like this, we have your Raipur. So this is the Raipur. This one is your Balauda Bazar. Balauda Bazar. Below Balauda Bazar, here we have your Raipur. Below Raipur, this part, see, this particular is your Mahasamund. So this is the Mahasamund. This particular is your Mahasamund. I'll draw a bit like this. Mahasamund. And below Mahasamund, this particularly, if you see this particular line like this, so this is your Gariyaband, this is the Gariyaband, and below this part, lower one is your Dhamtari. A simple map, अगर आप उसको particularly map project करेंगे, it will look a bit different. So I will draw Mahasamund a big, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बना लेते हैं, so that Gariyaband won't look that bigger. ठीक है, so ये क्या हो गया आपका Mahasamund. This is the Gariyaband, Dhamtari. This is your Raipur, and above one is your Balauda Bazar. So this is Dhamtari. On this side we have Gariyaband. Gariyaband. Some of the book will also write it as your Gariyaband. ओके, सो प्लीज़ ये दोनों स्पेलिंग ही आपका यहाँ पर, ठीक है, YA, और यू कैन राइट इज एज गरिया, BAND, बंद, ठीक है. सो दिस टू स्पेलिंग ऑफ गरिया बंद पर्टिकुलरली. सो नाउ विल सी द फॉर्मेशन ईयर ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बिकॉज PSC में आपका ईयर वाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन यू नीड, बिकॉज PSC को ये ईयर से बहुत प्यार है. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, आपको ये सारे के ईयर्स देखना पड़ेगा. सो रायपुर बिकम डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन ईयर 1861. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन दिस पर्टिकुलर फैक्ट. दिस धमतरी and this particular Balauda Bazaar and this Gariyaband. So please remember, start from this particular Balauda Bazaar 2012, switch to next date 1998, then comes again your 2012 for this particular Gariyaband, and then Dhamtari again in 1998. So please remember, 2012 for Balauda Bazaar, Mahasamund 1998, Gariyaband 2012 and Dhamtari again 1998. तो इस तरह से आपका क्या है, this is the year of formation of all this particular your districts of Raipur division. Now again we'll look up into the various facts or various aspects regarding your geography and history of this particular division. Okay, so that you can become a bit familiar with the geography and history. But before knowing about the geography and history, we'll first look up into the various tehsils of this particular district. So सारे के सारे districts में कौन कौन से तहसील हैं, first we'll look up into all this thing. So in this particular Raipur, we have 4 tehsils. Okay, so these 4 tehsils are lies in your Raipur. The above one, this one is your Tilda. This is the Tilda tehsil. This particular is your Dharsiva. This the lower one, this particular and this one. So this lower one is called as Abhanpur. And this is your Arang Tehsil. Okay, so if you see, so where is Raipur? So please remember, this particular Raipur is not a tehsil. Raipur is not a tehsil and nor it is a block. So Raipur आपका तहसील भी नहीं है, is not a tehsil and not even a block. It comes under this particular Dharsiva tehsil. So somewhere here lies your Raipur city, and below this particular part is called as your Atal Nagar, or now this is called as Nava Raipur. Okay, so this particular is your Raipur. Now we'll see the tehsils of this particular Dhamtari. So Dhamtari is divided into the four tehsils, or again in Dhamtari we'll see this particular, the above one is your Kurud. We have Kurud Tehsil. Below Kurud Tehsil, here we have Magar Lod. Magar Lod Tehsil. Below Magar Lod Tehsil, here we have this particular section, we have your Dhamtari. And the lowest one, सबसे नीचे जो इसमें आएगा, here a famous place or the famous Tehsil of Sihava. Sihava, or also called as Nagari. So Sihava Nagari. So we have Kurud, Magar Lod, we have Dhamtari, then we have Sihava. Again, now we'll see this particular, okay, we'll start with this particular Balauda Bazaar. So Balauda Bazaar, here we have Simga on this part and here. So draw 2 cuts here. First the above one is your Bhatapara, and this below one, this particular is your Balauda Bazaar. Balauda Bazaar Tehsil. On this side, here somewhere here we have Palari Tehsil. Above Palari Tehsil, here is your Kasdol, and at last we have Bilaigarh. So this one is your Bilaigarh. So please remember that this particular tehsils, your Simga, Bhatapara, this one is Balauda Bazaar, here is your Palari, this one is Kasdol, and this one is your Bilaigarh. Now we will write the names of all the tehsils of this particular Gariyaband. So in Gariyaband, at above here we have this particular is your Rajim. Okay, so this is Rajim, and below Rajim here we have Chura Tehsil. Below Chura Tehsil, somewhere between these two particular, here lies your Gariyaband, or also called as your Brinda Navagarh Gariyaband. So Brinda Navagarh Gariyaband. So this is Gariyaband. Below Gariyaband, here this particular is your Manpur. We have learned about the tehsil called Manpur, and Manpur tehsil is in your Rajnandgaon. This is your Manpur. So this is your Manpur tehsil. famous area for diamond production. Here we have the most of the diamonds in this particular Manpur. Here lies your Pyali Khand, and below this particular we have your Devbhog. So these two regions are famous for your diamond production. Devbhog Tehsil. So this is Devbhog, Manpur, Vrindanavagar, Chura and your Rajim. Now we will see the various tehsils of this particular your Mahasamund, and in Mahasamund we have this tehsils. First of all we have this particular Mahasamund tehsil. On this side this particular is Mahasamund, and here we have your Bagh Behra. So this particular Bagh Behra. Apart from this particular Bagh Behra, here somewhere here we have Pithora, and on this side after Pithora this particular Mahasamund, this is Bagh Behra, this is Pithora. Then here we have your Basna Tehsil, and at last here we have your Saraipali. So Saraipali. So please remember the name of all these particular tehsils. Okay, so this is Mahasamund, Bagh Behra, Pithora, Basna, Saraipali. In Rajim, Chura, Vrindanavagar, Manpur, Devbhog, these are all the tehsils of Dhamtari. Remember Raipur, and then there is a Balauda Bazar. Now I will mark some of the important tehsil which you definitely need to know for your prelims and mains. छत्तीसगढ़ में इन तहसील्स के नाम आपको पता ही होने चाहिए, because these are the most important tehsil of this particular Raipur division. So we will talk about this particular Dharsiwa tehsil. Why it is important? Because the capital city of Chhattisgarh, Raipur, is located in this particular Dharsiwa tehsil. Now we will see the other one important is your this particular Arang. Arang is important because of the cultural importance. It has the historical importance. So much of the places of the Arang are very important in Chhattisgarh. So after Arang you definitely need to know about this particular Arang. Then you have to remember this particular Rajim. Rajim is again a very important place in this particular Chhattisgarh. We will see various of the cultural aspects. We see all the cultural location of the Chhattisgarh. So we will have this particular Arang. Here we have Rajim. In Mahasamund here we have Sirpur. So सारे के सारे cultural hubs of Chhattisgarh lies in this particular region. So we have Arang, we have this particular Rajim. So you have to remember the name of this particular Rajim as well. In this particular, please remember the name of this particular Kurud, and then you have to remember the name of this particular Sihava, and then Dhamtari is important because Sihava is important because from that particular Sihava the river called river Mahanadi originates. So Sihava से ही यहाँ से आपकी कौन सी नदी निकलेगी? Your particular river called river Mahanadi. Okay, and in this particular Rajim you have to remember the name of this particular Devbhog. So remember the name of Devbhog, Rajim, and in this particular Mahasamund, if you don't remember the name of all the tehsils, it is वो चल जाएगा, but please remember the name of one particular place here called Sirpur. Okay, so Sirpur is more important than knowing the name of any of the tehsils. If you can remember the name of tehsils, it is good. नहीं तो आपको Sirpur at least you should know that it lies in your Mahasamund. Now in this particular Balauda Bazar, please remember the name of this particular Palari. Palari you need to remember. This particular Bhatapara, again Simga is important. Balauda Bazar, because somewhere in your history, geography and other aspects you will come across the name of all these particular things. Okay, so Kasdol is also important. So apart from Bilaigarh, you need to remember the names of all the places of your Balauda Bazar. So these are the important tehsils and the important places of your Balauda Bazar. Now we will look up into the geography of this particular division and we will understand why these particular places are important. So we will now look up into the geography of this particular division, where we will see again in terms of physical division. So in this particular tehsils of Raipur or division of Raipur, if we talk about the various physical division, so physical division, so in physical division we will see this particular region है पूरा का पूरा, it lies in your Mahanadi basin or Mahanadi plain. Okay, so most of the region here, this particular region are called as Mahanadi plain. But again, if we see the various mountain in this particular Sihava, we have here a Sihava mountain. This particular is your Sihava mountain. Apart from this, in this particular Gariyaband, here we have a mountain called Nariyar Pani. So this is the Nariyar Pani mountain. Again here we have Bhatri Navagarh mountain. So this is Nariyar Pani, Bhatri Navagarh. This is Sihava mountain. Again in your particular Mahasamund, here we will see the two mountains. One lies in here and one is here. So this is your Gauragad mountain and this one is your Radhan mountain. So this all mountainous region, because these are the highland regions, ये सारा का सारा highland region होने के कारण in this particular section of Chhattisgarh, if you see the particular map of Chhattisgarh, this particular thing in the Chhattisgarh map, so you will see here is your mountainous region, here then comes here. So this particular the mountainous region is called as your eastern highland of Chhattisgarh. So we have the Mahanadi plain and also the eastern highlands. So eastern highlands, and eastern highland has all the mountains including your Sihawa mountain. Sihawa mountain we have seen already. Then also we have the particular mountain called, in this two mountain, the first one is your Nariyar Pani, second one is your Bhatri Navagad mountain. So we have Nariyar Pani, and the other one is your Bhatri Navagad, Bhatri Navagad. Okay. Now in this particular Mahasamund, in the Mahasamund area, we have the two mountains. That one, this particular is the Radhan mountain, and this one is your Gauragad mountain. So we have Radhan mountain, and also we have your Gauragad mountain. Okay, Gauragad mountain. So please remember the name of this particular things. इससे ज़्यादा आपको यहाँ पर in terms of geography, if you talk about the various mountains and physical features, so आपको ये important places मिलेंगे. And from all these mountains, some of the rivers originate in this particular area. So इन सारे से कुछ ना कुछ आपके important rivers will flow in this particular division. So we'll talk about the various rivers of this particular division by rubbing the name of these places. I am rubbing just the name of this particular places. What I need, तो वो मैं आपका मेंशन करते चलूँगा वहाँ पर. Please see that particular thing and you will get to know about the various rivers and other aspects of this particular division. So we'll see the name of different places. Let me rub this particular thing on. Okay, so almost done. Now we'll see the various places of this particular area. So now we're talking about the various rivers. So in physically only we will talk about the various rivers flowing in this particular region. Okay, so we'll talk about the major rivers, then we'll talk about the also some of the minor rivers. So in this, from this particular Sihawa mountain, this is your Sihawa mountain, and from this particular Sihawa mountain there is a Shringi mountain. A part of this particular is also called as your Shringi mountain. So from this particular region we have the origin of one of the important river of Chhattisgarh, which is called as the lifeline of Chhattisgarh. So from here the lifeline of Chhattisgarh river Mahanadi originate. Mahanadi will originate in and flow in this direction. Then from Dhamtari it will enter into your Kanker. So आपका क्या होगा, ये कांकेर पे जाएगा, and from Kanker it will take a turn. It will take a turn from your and enter the Balauda Bazaar. Sorry, your Balod. It will enter Balod, and Balod में मैंने आपको कल एक बताया था, there is a mountain called Petechua mountain. Okay, so this is your Petechua mountain in your Balod, and from that particular Petechua it will take a turn and again enter the Dhamtari. So again enter the Dhamtari and it will flow here between your this particular Kurud and Magar road. So this is Kurud and Magar road. So between the Kurud and Magar road वो फिर से enter करेगा, and then this river Mahanadi enter and into your this particular Gariyaband, and Gariyaband here lies your Rajim. So please remember Rajim. Okay, so this is Rajim. It will enter Gariyaband, then enter the Rajim, and from there it will enter your Raipur, and Raipur there lies your Arang. Okay, so this is Rajim, then Arang, then it will enter your Mahasamund, and here lies the place called your Sirpur. So this particular Sirpur comes here, then it will enter in your Balauda Bazaar, and Balauda Bazaar, this is your Palari, this is your Kasdol. So it will flow in between this particular more towards the Palari. So Palari, and from here it will enter the Janjgir Champa, and in this particular region we have Shivri Narayan. And from Shivri Narayan it will go into your Raigad and then flows towards your Odisha. So this is the course of river Mahanadi. This is the entire course of river Mahanadi in Chhattisgarh, and you will see some of the important places lying in this particular region. और ये सारे के सारे क्या है, ये cultural spots है. So we have your Rajim, we have Arang, we have Sirpur, we have this particular Palri. And in one of the PSC 2016 I guess, वहाँ पर क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा था, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग सिटीज ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. तो आपको क्या करना था, यू हैव टू अरेंज द फॉलोइंग सिटीज ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, एंड दे हैव गिवन द ऑप्शंस राजिम, आरंग, सिरपुर एंड पलारी. So they have given these 4 options. So they have given Rajim as an option, they have given Sirpur as an option, they have given this particular Arang. So they have given Arang as an option and also your Palari as an option. So if you अब देखिए वहाँ से आपका क्या था, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज कि प्लेसेस को किस तरह से अरेंज करने को बोल रहे हैं, बट दे आर नॉट, पीएससी इज नॉट आस्किंग एज सच अबाउट द प्लेसेस, दे आस्क यू अबाउट कि वेदर यू नो द कोर्स ऑफ दिस रिवर महानदी और नॉट. सो इफ यू नो द कोर्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर रिवर महानदी, देन यू कैन इजिली अरेंज दिस पर्टिकुलर 4 प्लेसेस. तो ये आपका एक क्वेश्चन था पीएससी में. सो प्लीज़ आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ पढ़ना है, सो दैट यू कैन सॉल्व द टफेस्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द पेपर. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ये जो रिवर आपका है, सो दिस इज द एंटायर कोर्स ऑफ रिवर महानदी इन योर छत्तीसगढ़. ओके, सो दिस इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर इज योर रिवर महानदी, और महानदी कॉल्ड एज द लाइफ लाइन ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, रिवर महानदी. Okay, now we will talk about the other important river of Chhattisgarh which will come in this particular region. So here yesterday we talked about the river Shivnath. So Shivnath coming from the Gadchiroli in Maharashtra, entering Chhattisgarh from Panabaras. Okay, so Gadchiroli, then this is Gadchiroli, this is Panabaras in Rajnandgaon, then it will enter your Durg. So this is your Durg, and from Durg it enters into this particular Raipur, and this particular Dharsiva Tehsil, and above Dharsiva Tehsil somewhere here is your Somnath. So this place is called as your Somnath. Okay, so from this particular Somnath, then it will enter your this particular Balauda Bazar and flow like this in this Balauda Bazar, and from Balauda Bazar it will enter some of the part of Mungeli, and Mungeli then again it will re-enter into your Balauda Bazar, and then it will go in this particular Janjgir, and here in your Shivri Narayan. So Shivri Narayan it will meet the river Mahanadi. So this particular is your river Shivnath. So this is river Shivnath. So Shivnath again, yeah, remember Gadchiroli in Maharashtra, then this particular Panabaras mountain, Chhattisgarh, then we have the Durg city over this particular, here is your Somnath, then it will enter in Balauda Bazar, and then from Balauda Bazar it will then goes in this particular Mungeli. Here in Mungeli we have Madhku Dweep island, and from Madhku Dweep we have this particular Shivri Narayan. Okay, so this is the Shivri Narayan in your Janjgir. In this manner this particular river called river Shivnath flow in Chhattisgarh, and between these two particular, here lies this particular Petechua, and from this particular Petechua mountain we have, yesterday we have seen one more river. So from this particular Petechua we have the origin of river Kharun. So river Kharun will flow in this particular region like this and comes here and meet. So this is river Kharun, and this river Kharun will meet this particular शिवनाथ रिवर एट अ प्लेस कॉल्ड सोमनाथ. तो खारून में यहाँ पर क्या किससे मिल रहे हैं, सोमनाथ से. एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर धरसीमा इफ यू सी खारून विल फ्लो लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर, एंड इन हियर लाइज योर महादेव घाट. सो हियर इज योर महादेव घाट, अ फेमस प्लेस महादेव घाट in Raipur, and then we come to this particular place called Somnath. So this is the flow of river Kharun. So we have seen this particular river Shivnath, we have seen the particular river called Mahanadi, and now we have seen this particular river called river Kharun. Now talking about this particular region, इस particular region को हम देखते हैं, and from this particular Nariyar Pani, this particular mountain called the Nariyar Pani, from this a particular river originate and comes and meet your Mahanadi at Rajim. This particular river is called river Sondur. So other important river of Chhattisgarh, river Sondur. Okay, and from this particular region, ये वाला जो आपका है भात्री नवागढ़ माउंटेन, फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन अगेन अ रिवर ओरिजिनेट कम्स लाइक दिस एंड मीट महानदी एट राजिम. दिस रिवर इज कॉल्ड एज योर रिवर पैरी. So we have the river Pari, river Sondur and river Mahanadi confluence at a place called Rajim. So Rajim is on the bank of Rajim is located on the bank of the river where 3 rivers meet or confluence together, which include river Mahanadi, river Sondur and river Pari. So here is your Rajim. Okay, so I guess आपको यहाँ से आइडिया लग गया होगा कि where, and your Arang, this particular Arang located in this particular river called river, and that particular river called river Mahanadi. So Rajim this place called Rajim. Rajim located on the bank of river Mahanadi. Where this particular Mahanadi, your Peri and Sondur. तो आपका जहाँ पर ये 3 रिवर मिलते हैं, महानदी, पैरी एंड सोंडूर, वी हैव अ प्लेस कॉल्ड राजिम. ओके, सो आई गेस आपको ये वाले रिवर्स कंफर्म होंगे, रिवर खारून, रिवर सोंडूर, रिवर पैरी. नाउ समवेयर हियर इफ यू लुक अप इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर मैप, कुछ इस तरह से आपका छत्तीसगढ़ को देखेंगे. सो हियर इन द ओडिशा पार्ट वी हैव हियर, ओडिशा में यहाँ पर आपका आता है सोनबेरा प्लेट्यू. वी हैव सोनबेरा प्लेट्यू. And from this particular Sonbera plateau we have one of the river coming in. So इस जगह से आपका एक रिवर आता है. From this particular Sonbera plateau we have one river which enter छत्तीसगढ़ from this particular mountain, गौरागढ़ mountain, and goes like this and enters शिवरी नारायण, and शिवरी नारायण पे जाकर वो मिलेगी. This particular river is called river Jonk. So this is river Jonk. So river Jonk will enter from महासमुद्र. So आपका it will not flow in this particular Rajim, it will like this particular. Okay, so Rajim पे नहीं होगा आपका, गरियाबंद पे नहीं, it will flow in महासमुंद only. अगर आप पर्टिकुलर मैप देखेंगे तो वहाँ पर दिखेगा. सो फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर दौरागढ़ माउंटेन वी हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ठीक है, तो ये जो आपका आ रहा है, ये दिस रिवर इज योर रिवर जोंक. एंड रिवर जोंक एट द कन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ 3 रिवर शिवनाथ, Mahanadi and Jonk, we have your Shivri Narayan. Now from this particular Radan mountain again a river originate, this particular river originate and goes like this and meet at a place called this particular Chandarpur. This particular place called Chandarpur. So at Chandarpur we have the confluence of this particular river called river Lat, this particular river, river Mahanadi, and from above we have already seen a river Mand. So these 3 river, river Mand, river Lat and river Mahanadi. So Mahanadi, so we have this particular Mahanadi, Mand and Lat at your Chandarpur. So this is particular river is called your river Lat. So प्लीज़ रिमेंबर वेयर द रिवर कन्फ्लुएंस और द मीट, तो वो सारे के सारे प्लेस जहाँ पर भी रिवर की मीटिंग होती है, दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इज़ फेमस फॉर योर कल्चरल हब, और वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ रिलीजियस इंपॉर्टेंस उसका होता है. लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर राजिम वी हैव दिस 3 रिवर्स. सो एट दिस पर्टिकुलर कन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दिस 3 रिवर राजिम एंड हियर दैट इज द फेमस टेम्पल ऑफ राजीव लोचन. एंड वहाँ पर आपका होता है कुंभ ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, द कुंभ मेला, फेमसली द कुंभ ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ उसको ही बोलते हैं. सो देयर ओरिजिनेट देयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस वी हैव द फेयर विच इज कॉल्ड एज द कुंभ मेला ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. ओके, सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दैट पर्टिकुलर. एंड ऑल्सो उसका नाम रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ चेंज इनटू द पुन्नी मेला. सो पुन्नी मेला ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द कुंभ ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. वो आप कहाँ पे होते हैं? राजिम पे होते हैं. ठीक है, एंड एट दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉन्फ्रेंस वी हैव द सोमनाथ. सो इन दिस मैनर दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन ऑफ रायपुर, अगर रायपुर को पूरा का पूरा देखेंगे, सो देन वी विल सी ये पूरे के पूरे रीजन के रायपुर किसके